Learn how to transfer credits or tickets between users in Tigapo. From the Tigapo homepage, click on Visitors in the side menu as highlighted in green. Search for a user by typing their name or using the enrollment reader to scan their tag, as shown on the visual. For app users, scan the QR code displayed on the reader screen. Once the user has been identified, the user page will open and display their activity. To start the transfer process, click the Transfer button as highlighted. The Transfer Between Users page will open and display the user wealth values and the transferee column. Search for the user who will receive the granted credits or tickets. Alternatively, you can scan their tag using the enrollment reader. After scanning the receiving user, you can transfer balances by entering the amount and clicking the Add button as highlighted in green. You can also use the Move All button to speed up the process or restore any changes made by hitting the Restore button. Once finished, click the Save button as highlighted. Complete the transfer. Thanks for watching.